AI won't replace devs, but devs who master AI will replace the rest. AI tools aren't out-of-the-box coding machines. You still have to think. You are the architect, the PM, the debugger, the visionary. If you steer the model properly, it's insanely powerful. But if you expect it to solve the problem for you, you're in for a hard reality check. Especially for devs with 10+ years of experience, your instincts and mental models don't transfer cleanly. Using AI well requires a full reset in how you approach problems. Here's how I use AI. Brainstorm with GPT-4o, creative, fast, flexible. Pressure test logic with GPT-o3, more grounded. For final execution, hand off to Claude Code, handles full files, better at implementation. Even this post, I brain-dumped thoughts into GPT, and it helped structure them clearly. The ideas are mine. AI just strips fluff and sharpens logic. That's when it shines. As a collaborator, not a crutch. The lesson? Think first. Use the model second.